my dear juniors. I hope you all are fine with the blessings of God. Now today let's discuss Volume 2, Physiology and Biochemistry, Block 3, Chapter 1. SAQ questions. So the first SAQ question is D-mannose is a कीटोट्रायोस. तो D-mannose जो है वो कीटोट्रायोस है कि नहीं है? तो नहीं है. राइबोल्यूस इज अ कीटोपेंटोस और एल्डोपेंटोस. तो राइबोल्यूस क्या होता है? कीटोपेंटोस होता है. जनरली मॉलिक्यूल्स विद एन कायरल सेंटर हैज हाउ मेनी स्टीरियो आइसोमर्स. तो ये एक फॉर्मूला से याद रखना है. द फॉर्मूला इज 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n जो है वो फॉर्मूला है ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल्स के लिए जिसका कायरल सेंटर, जिनमें हमें पता लगाना हो कि कितने कायरल सेंटर्स हैं. डी फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज मोर अबंडेंट देन एल फॉर्म. सो इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? तो इट इज ट्रू कि डी फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज मोर अबंडेंट देन एल फॉर्म. Enantiomers are pair of chiral molecules with a non-superimposable mirror images. True, because enantiomers जो होते हैं ऐसे पेयर होते हैं जो नॉन सुपर इम्पोजेबल होते हैं, यानी वो एक दूसरे के मिरर फॉर्म में दिखेंगे बट दे कैन नॉट बी सुपर इम्पोज ओवर ईच अदर. सो दे आर नॉन सुपर इम्पोजेबल मिरर इमेजेस. मतलब ऐसे मिरर इमेजेस हैं जो कि सुपर इम्पोजेबल नहीं है, सुपर इम्पोजेबल नहीं है. Now moving toward the next SAQ discussion. SAQ 2. The asymmetric carbon atom is known as anomeric carbon. तो asymmetric carbon atom को anomeric carbon बोलते हैं. तो हाँ बोलते हैं. ट्रू है ये. अल्फा बीटा anomeric form of D glucose get interconverted in aqueous solution by the mutual rotation. So also true. Sucrose is the reducing sugar. False, because sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. We know it very well कि sucrose क्या है, वो non-reducing sugar है. Hence sucrose is a reducing sugar. False statement है. The symmetric name of the lactose is O beta G galactopyranose. Nosyl 1,4 D-glucopyranose. Is it true or false? It is a true statement. Moving toward the third SAQ discussions. Vexes are ester of fatty acid with a high molecular weight monohydric alcohol. True or false? It is true. Linoleic acid is a dianic fatty acid having 2 double bonds. Is it true or false? It is false. The long alphabetic hydrocarbon chain in a fatty acid make them polar or non-polar. So long alphabetic hydrocarbon chain in a fatty acid make them non-polar. Sodium and potassium salt of long chain fatty acids are called as soap. सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम सॉल्ट ऑफ लॉन्ग चेन फैटी एसिड्स को क्या बोलते हैं? सोप बोलते हैं. मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट SAQ discussion, that is the question number 1. Glycolipids are molecules in which protein's moiety is combined with a lipid. Is it true or false? It is false. Glycolipids are molecules in protein's moiety combines with lipid. The statement is false. Sphygmomyelin contains of a glycerol. It is also false because sphygmomyelin doesn't contain any sort of glycerols. Ergosterol is a precursor for what? Ergosterol is a precursor for vitamin D. Vitamin D. Thromboxanes are 4-membered ring containing ether. Is it true or false? So thromboxane are 4-membered ring containing ether. It is false. It is a false statement. Moving toward the next SAQ discussion, that is SAQ 5. First question, glycine and serine are standard or non-standard amino acid. So glycine and serine are standard amino acids. Which amino acid is denoted by 1 letter code P? Proline is that kind of amino acid. Proline is that kind of amino acid which is denoted by 1 letter code P. Tyrosine and tryptophan are aliphatic or aromatic amino acids. So tyrosine and tryptophan are aromatic amino acids. The amino and the carboxyl group of the amino acid as well as the ionizable R group of amino acid functions as a strong acid and a strong base. Is it correct? It is not correct. It is a false statement. Amino and carboxyl group of amino acid as well as ionizable R group of amino acid function as a strong acid and strong base is false statement. Because they did not act as a strong acid or a strong base. Now moving toward the last SAQ discussion, that is the SAQ 6. The convention for writing polypeptide sequence is to put n terminals on the left and write the sequence from n terminals to c terminus. Yes, it is true. The peptide bond is a non-covalent bond between the alpha amino group of one amino acid and alpha carboxyl group of another, forming an amide linkage. False. not amide linkage. Secondary or tertiary structure of protein refer to the three-dimensional structure of a protein molecules. So secondary structure is not, but tertiary structure of protein refer to the three-dimensional structure of a protein molecules. Derived proteins are naturally occurring proteins. No, कोई भी protein if it is natural तो उसे derive नहीं करना पड़ेगा. कोई भी चीज़ अगर नेचुरल है इट विल नॉट हैव टू बी डिराइव. अगर कोई चीज़ हम डिराइव कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली वो फिर आर्टिफिशियल होगा, वो नेचुरल नहीं होगा. हेंस द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. नाउ दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. वी विल डिस्कस द टर्मिनल क्वेश्चंस एंड द समरी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.